Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning at Home with Vanilla Krishna. Today I am going to conduct Class 5 GK quiz of nation's number 1 Olympiad organization, that is Indian Talent Olympiad. They are conducting annual Olympiad exams as well as monthly Olympiad exams. Scholarships and awards will be given for top rankers. For registration and for further details, kindly go through the website. The link is provided in the description. Shall we start the quiz now? Question number 1. The Indian Constitution closely follows the Constitution of which country? Option E, USA. USA stands for United States of America. Option B, Switzerland. Option C, USSR. USSR stands for Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Option D, UK. UK stands for United Kingdom. Your time starts now. The answer is option D, UK. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It became effective on 26 January 1950, also celebrated as the Republic Day. Our Indian Constitution has mostly adopted the constitutional procedure of the United Kingdom. Question number 2. Dash is the largest living mammal. Option A, giraffe. Option B, white elephant. Option C, blue whale. Option D, rhinoceros. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, blue whale. A mammal is a warm-blooded vertebrate animal that breathes air through lungs and give birth to young ones and feed them with their own milk. Example, human, elephant, dog, etc. Question number 3. The part of tooth visible above the gum is known as dash. Option A, root. Option B, crown. Option C, plaques. Option D, cavity. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, crown. Question number 4. Which one of the given is the capital of Spain? Option A, Barcelona. Option B, Seville. Option C, Madrid. Option D, Lisbon. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, Madrid. To the fifth question now. The Vande Mataram is written by option A, Swami Vivekananda. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option D, Sarojini Naidu. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Vande Mataram is the national song of India, which was composed by the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Janagana Mana is the national anthem of India, which was composed by the Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 6. The President of India can be removed from his office by option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Chief Justice of India. Option C, Parliament. Option D, Lok Sabha. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, Parliament. The Parliament can remove the President of India from his post by a majority of two-thirds vote from both the houses. that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. This process is known as impeachment. Till now, no President of India has faced impeachment proceedings. Question number 7. In Asia, where was Olympic Games first held? Option A, South Korea. Option B, Korea. Option C, India. Option D, Japan. Your time starts now. The answer is option D, Japan. In Asia, the first ever Olympics was hosted by Tokyo, Japan, in the year 1964. Question number 8. NCERT has collaborated with which internet company to teach students digital safety? Option A, Yahoo. Option B, Google. Option C, Facebook. Option D, Microsoft. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, Google. NCERT stands for National Council of Educational Research and Training. Question number 9. What is the number of odd days in a leap year? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, 2. A leap year has 52 weeks and 2 days. So the number of odd days in a leap year is 2. Question number 10. Which of the following are most soluble in water? Option A, sugar. Option B, salt. Option C, sulfur. Option D, camphor. Your time starts now. The answer is option A, sugar. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching.